And I love seeing the pollinators, the butterflies and the bees come and check out all the lovely flowers I've got placed around. So it's really fun to kind of get those going and make sure and get them started right, because if I have strong roots for my gardens and my lawn, then I know as it gets into July and August and we've got droughts and less water and it's really hot, the plants are going to survive better, and that makes it easier for me to take care of things. Some of the other things that I think about when it comes to my garden is using healthy soil as a base means that I'm going to be growing more nutrient dense vegetables and fruits. So if you start with a healthy base, your plants will grow even healthier, which will be even healthier for you. So there's so many tips and tricks out there for gardens, and even if you follow all the tips and tricks, doesn't mean that your garden's going to be absolutely perfect. So be sure that you just stay in positive and keep going, because you never know what life is going to throw at you, and gardens are such a great way to grow healthy food for yourselves and your family, and just get a quick win and get out there and get some sunshine and get your hands in the dirt.